Hi, my name's Tim Marran. I'm a regional product manager for chainflex cables here at igus, and today we're going to talk about tech up, cost down with our continuous flexing cables. Today we're going to talk about bus cables, mainly because Ethernet is one of the most popular cables on the market. For Ethernet cables, igus has over 30 different part number options. And you might ask, why do I need 30 different options to choose from for an Ethernet cable, right? They all do the same function and they all provide the same quality. So what else is there to it? Well, let's take a look at it. When we're talking about tech up, cost down, you have several different qualities of the same cable. What that means is electrically, they function the exact same if you were to plug them into a static application. However, at igus, since we deal with continuous flexing cables and cables inside cable carriers, we need to make sure we account for all the different mechanical parameters as well. We want to make sure you have the right cable for your application. So for instance, if we start with a basic PVC cable that's Ethernet, that might work for your application. But let's say you have a different media that's going to be affecting the cable, whether it's oils, chemicals, coolants. We want to make sure that we protect that. So for the tech up aspect of that type of Ethernet cable, we can move up to a polyurethane jacket, or PUR. We offer several different types of cable jackets that do similar things as far as the mechanical abilities, whether it's increasing the bend radius or decreasing your overall bend radius to decrease the profile of your application. Or if you need a cable that'll handle longer travel distance based on the structure of the cable. Conversely, we can also help you save money by finding the exact cable for your application parameters. That means you're not overpaying for the highest mechanical quality cable if that's not something that your application requires. We also have this option and opportunity with all of our other cable types as well. Now let's take a look at the warehouse and see what we have in stock. So here we are in the chainflex portion of our warehouse. It's roughly 35,000 square feet dedicated to cable stock at our North American headquarters here in East Providence, Rhode Island. It's roughly 4 million feet in stock. And as you can see, we have several different qualities of the same cable. Here we have 3 different Ethernet cables like I was talking about before. So regardless of what your mechanical parameters are and regardless of what your application requires, we have a cable in stock that will fit your needs for your application. If you'd like to spec in a cable for tech up, cost down, please contact us. For more information, please click the link below. Thanks for watching.